Hey everybody, I'm Your Name, and I love playgrounds. Who doesn't, right? I mean, they're these magical places where kids can be kids, you know? Swinging, sliding, running around like maniacs. It's where dreams are made or at least where you dream of getting out of school and finally getting to the good stuff. Playgrounds are also great for parents. You can catch up with other parents, complain about how much your kids are driving you crazy. It's a whole support group thing. And you know, there are playgrounds all over the world, but some of them are in a league of their own. We're talking about playgrounds that are so unique, so incredible, they'll make you want to dig out your old report card and relive your childhood. From art installations that double as jungle gyms to entire towns built for kids, get ready for some serious playground envy. First up, we're heading to St. Louis, Missouri, to a place called MonstroCity. Next, we're jetting off to Japan to a playground that's basically a giant bouncy castle built into a hillside. Ever eaten a swing set? Well, in Sweden you can get pretty close. Chapter 4. Let's pop over to London to a playground fit for a princess, literally. Chapter 5. Hold on to your hats, because we're heading down under to a playground that's bigger than a boomerang. Chapter 6. The Dutch are known for their tulips and windmills, but they also make a mean playground. Chapter 7. They say if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere, especially if you're a kid let loose in Teardrop Park. Chapter 8. Remember that time you got in trouble for playing with tires? Well, in Japan they encourage it. Chapter 9. This next playground is close to my heart because it's designed for kids of all abilities. Leave it to the French to make even playgrounds chic and sophisticated. This next playground is like a giant Lego set come to life, with a few extra safety regulations, of course. Get ready to enter a world of giants, because these Danish playgrounds are straight out of a fairy tale. Remember that old elevated railway in New York City? Well, they turned it into a park with a playground. This Copenhagen playground is like a trip around the world, all in one place. Last but not least, we're blasting off to the future. Of playgrounds, that is. Well, there you have it, folks. The 15 most unique playgrounds on the planet. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to pack my bags, grab a juice box, and relive my childhood. These playgrounds are proof that no matter how old you are, there's always a little bit of kid inside all of us. So go ahead, embrace your inner child and get out there and play. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing adventures.